Step-by-step installation of DTF 6002A Nova printer. Step 1. Preparation. Installing the support bracket. We lock the print head with this to prevent damage from collisions during transportation. So first, we need to remove this part. Move the cart to the left, and then use a screwdriver to remove the screws on both sides. Remove the protective cover from the print heads. Connect the white ink circulation tube to the ink pump. Then connect the ink tubes to the ink bottles according to the color labels. Ensure all connections are secure to prevent leaks. Connect the two cables labeled floating ball and ink stirring to their respective ports. Install the ink bottle holder into its designated position. Secure it firmly using the provided fasteners, and ensure it is stable before placing the ink bottles. Step 2. Power on for self-test. Next, we're going to do turn on the machine for self-test. Connect power and turn on the printer. Step 3. Load film. Next, we're going to load the film. Here you can see these as spindle that's going to be where the roll film is placed. And this is the transfer film. Make sure the outside is the print side. Slide the film into the spindle. And make sure adapters are fully inserted into the roll. Then clamp it onto the paper feeding shaft and install the fixing bolts at both ends. Tighten the screws. Pull the lock lever out. Insert the end of the film into the paper slot and feed it through. Make sure these pinch rollers are in the center of the film and the distance between the pinch roller and the film on both sides is the same. And then lock the lever. Push the paper clips on both sides to fix the film. Step 4. Fill inks. Next, we're going to fill the ink into the printer. We marked each ink bottle with CMYKW. Unscrew the ink cartridge cover and going to fill the inks. Pour the ink into the bulk ink bottles one by one. Using the syringe from the accessory kit, draw ink and carefully inject it into the ink dampers. This process must be performed by a qualified professional. Fill the ink dampers completely until no air bubbles remain, and dispose of the syringe appropriately after use. Step 5. Print head alignment. Next, we're going to do print head alignment. This function will fix vertical misalignment, horizontal banding, and blurry printouts. We print vertical and horizontal calibration and adjust numbers to make all lines the straightest at the 0. Step 6. Installing take-up roller for powder shaker. Install the take-up roller for the powder shaking unit. Ensure the roller rotates smoothly. Step 7. Print jobs. Import a job and click the print icon to print. Any other questions, just comment below or contact with Sublistar team. Thanks for watching.